From Panglao. We're on our way to North Bohol to see sunrise at a place called Sea of Clouds. It's like where you sit above the clouds. It's 3 a.m. We're super tired, 2 hours sleep. Let's see what we can see. So there are not many people on the road. Actually, it's just us.
We are 15 minutes away to Isle of Clouds.
Isle of Clouds, yeah?
Finally, we are here, the Sea of the Clouds, after getting lost inside a mountain, uphill, super rocky, that we couldn't go even farther away. No internet, no GPS, but here we are. Let me show you. It's impressive.
We just finished our hike and we are at the Sea of Clouds. We got here at 5:30 a.m. We took some wrong routes at the start, so we'll show you a map on the correct way to get here. And the best time to be here is about 5 a.m. It's like the clouds are really, really dense. It's such a beautiful scenery. Have a look. So yeah, cut to the drone shots in 3, 2, 1. We're on our way to Chocolate Hills from the Sea of Clouds. And the region, the landscape around us is beautiful. It's such a nice drive or ride.
There's some petrol for a local shop.
And now we're at Chocolate Hills. It's a super busy place. There's a lot of tourists that come here, and it's a Saturday, so really, really busy. We might ride the ATVs, we might not. If not, we're just gonna chill here for a bit, take some pictures, relax. It's super sunny, so we're trying to sit in the shade. That's Miho there, just relaxing in the shade.
I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
It took us around like 1 hour from Sea of Clouds to come here because we kind of got lost again. Because I think for your tip in Philippines, especially like outside the city, like the GPS doesn't really show the exact place, so you kind of have to figure out without asking the locals and all. And yeah, but finally we're here.
It's a beautiful place.
It's really beautiful. So the entrance fee for Chocolate Hills is 50 pesos per person, which is like $1 US. And they do offer with some extra charge of 600 peso some ATV.
Which is around $12.
Yeah, $12, right? So,
ATV for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Right. Just down there.
There will be the ATV station. So we are thinking about trying it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's Miho's first time riding a quad. Let's do this! So we're just riding the ATVs through the Chocolate Hills. She's doing quite good. She crashed a few times at the start, but now she's back on track. So we just finished. Neo's covered in mud. I'm covered in sweat and mud. So now we're just gonna shower off and then we're gonna head back to Panglao beach. Maybe catch another sunset tonight.
So, to end the long day, we came to Jollibee.
So the first time I had Jollibees was like a week ago from the Philippines, and this was my favorite burger. I ordered the burger. It's got pineapple inside, and I think it's bacon. I'm not sure, but it's so good, so good. And Miha likes it too, so she ordered one as well.
For me, it's for Craig.
Yeah. So I think we're gonna end it here. I'm super tired. After this, we're going home, showering, probably sleeping for a long time until tomorrow.